This is Ashley from the iRoofing team. Today I'm going to show you how to submit a material order. So basically any roofing estimate created within our app can become a quote or a purchase order, so you can use this to place a material order from any distributor across the country. In that case, I'm just uploading one of my estimates. You'll see the calculation for the materials has been completed by the estimator itself. So here at the top right, I just need to choose which distributor I want to send this order to. It's important to note iRoofing is working with most distributors across the country, but if you don't see your preferred distributor listed here, don't worry. You can just go to settings at the top right and add them. And they'll just need to confirm that they're okay with getting your material orders via email and who the contact should be. So in that case, I'll choose a Gulf Eagle branch in St. Louis, Missouri. The next step will be to choose the materials themselves. The pricing shown here doesn't come from iRoofing. As you know, the price you get from a distributor would change based on your loyalty, your relationship, and so on. So how it works is you send your order to the distributor via iRoofing, where they will open a web link and fill in their pricing. They only need to do this one time, because the app will save that price automatically for future orders. If your distributor needs to change the price at a later time, they can do that as well. The material order itself is sent in the form of an email directly to the branch, including the quantities of items you want to order. The moment you send it, your contact at the branch will receive your order as a web link. They do not need to have the iRoofing app. They can just open that link. Again, if they need to change pricing or even exchange items if they're out of stock, they can do so. So that was a general introduction to the material order section of iRoofing. It's basically a section you get to from the estimator itself. So once you generate an estimate, you'd come here to pull your itemized quote of materials, which is generated automatically by the app and based on the details of your measurement report. Thank you very much for tuning in, and if you have any questions, please contact us at 800-646-6270. And remember, you always have free and unlimited training with iRoofing. We'll see you next time.